I'm pinning this cake upside down with the rock for a very specific scientific reason, because this is the only way to make 13 grams of protein taste like you're eating a marshmallow cloud. I'll tell you why later. This isn't just another weight loss recipe. It actually is a quick, high protein breakfast that burns calories while you eat it. No protein powder, no flour, no oil, just 5 ingredients in 5 minutes. So, no excuses, okay? Most people think that they need to eat plain chicken and broccoli to see results, but this single serve cake has the same amount of protein as this piece of chicken. But here's the most surprising part: your body actually finds it way easier to use the protein in this cake. While chicken is a great for breakfast protein recipe, almost no one tells you this. See, nutritionists use a scale called biological value. With chicken, your body usually can only absorb around 80% of the protein, but egg whites, they're a perfect 100. That means while your body struggles to break down 100% of the protein in chicken, it absorbs almost every single gram in this cake instantly. You're getting high octane fuel with zero heavy bloating. That is amazing. But that's not even the best part of this video. What I'm about to tell you, you're gonna wish you heard way sooner. We're starting with our egg whites. Now, pay attention to these bubbles because while I whip these into fluffy peaks, your body is getting ready to burn fat. And I know what you're thinking. How is that possible? But hear me out, guys. It's called the thermogenic effect. Because this is pure egg white protein, your metabolism has to work overtime just to digest it. You're literally stroking your internal fire and burning extra calories while you eat it. It's a weight loss cake recipe that does the work for you. Your body actually burns up to 30% of the calories in this cake just trying to break it down. You're literally stroking your metabolic fire while eating a marshmallow. And don't forget about that rock secret. We will talk about that in a minute. Most people ruin their healthy recipes by using heavy wheat flour. That's what causes that bread belly bloat. We're using just a tiny bit of rice flour instead. It's naturally gluten free and much lighter on the gut. It acts like a scaffold for our protein bubbles, holding the cake together without weighing your energy down. This is how you keep it flourless and super airy. Now, if you want a massive boost of protein, you can add a spoonful of egg white powder. Adding just 1 tablespoon of egg white powder takes this from 13 grams to a massive 20 grams of protein. Since it's made with the same stuff as the cake, it blends perfectly without changing the flavor and it doesn't give it a chalky texture. Just pure muscle building power for about 75 cents a serving. But if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how you can make it yourself for almost zero cost, and it's extremely easy. If you guys are new to healthy eating and don't want to be stuck eating boring omelets and breakfast recipes that feel heavy, I recommend replacing your usual sugary cereal or heavy toast with this. Because there's no oil and no butter, you're cutting out hundreds of hidden calories. It silences your hunger hormones so that you can focus on your day instead of feeling hungry and thinking about your stomach. Plus, it only takes 5 minutes to prep, so there's no excuse to skip a healthy start. All right, now here comes one of the most important parts of this recipe: folding the egg whites. We need to be very careful to not knock out any of the air from them because if we do, you will miss out on a ton of health benefits. By adding all this air, you're creating massive volume that triggers your fullness sensors early. It's like you're tricking your brain into thinking that you ate a giant meal while your metabolism is doing miracles in your stomach for you. Okay, all this leads me to the rock that I showed you guys. I promise it will all make sense, but first, put the cake batter into a baking dish and only grease the bottom of it. Then we're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 for about 8 to 15 minutes. Okay, I just took the cake out of the oven and I'm gonna turn it upside down. This is why the rock matters. If this cake deflates, those protein strands clump back together. You lose the volume, you lose the fullness signal, and you lose that airy texture that keeps your hunger hormones quiet. Whipping the egg white stretches the protein out, which means your body doesn't have to fight to break it down, which is how you get all the amazing benefits I told you about. So I put my cake in a measuring cup, and I usually like to hang it over the counter and pin the handle down with a rock while it cools down and while the proteins stabilize. Don't worry, this cake doesn't fall, guys, because we didn't grease the baking dish. The texture of this weight loss cake recipe is insane. It is literally almost exactly like a marshmallow. I'm going to show you how to make a one ingredient clean protein powder that doesn't practically rob you just to eat it. It's only a fraction of the cost, plus, your body actually absorbs every single gram of protein from it. No waste. And because there's no fake sugars or fake ingredients, it won't make your food taste chalky. But there's one secret to making this during the mixing process that makes it so easy. And if you don't do it, your powder will never get that fluffy store-bought texture. I'm going to show you exactly what that is so you never go back to buying fake protein powder again. This is egg white powder, and I'm going to show you exactly how you too can make this at home. Just 1 cup of this stuff has 120 grams of protein, so it's pretty amazing stuff. I'm going to make 1/3 cup of egg white powder today, so I separated 10 egg whites. Now you're going to want to whip this up. This is exactly what we want to move on to the next step. Now I'm going to get out a nice metal pan, and as you can see, the lip of the pan is about 1/4 inch thick. I'm trying to show you the thickness here, and that's how thick we're going to spread our egg whites out. I'm just going to put a nice dollop of the egg whites on the pan, and I also grease the pan. If you don't want to do that, you can also use parchment paper or wax paper, but I usually don't have a very good experience with it, so I just oiled the sheet pan. And what we're going to do is we're just going to spread the egg whites out until we get a nice even layer all across the pan. I'm going to bake this in the oven at around 250 for about an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. I started baking this at 350, but then I realized it was browning a bit too fast. But if you guys don't mind color, you could definitely cook it at 350 and it'll cook up a lot faster. So this is what it should look like once it's done drying. As you can see, I can touch it and it doesn't stick to my fingers, and it deflated a lot. It's kind of like crispy chip pieces now. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to crush this up, and this is how we're going to turn it into a powder. I'm going to crush this in a little metal bucket and make it a little bit smaller so that it can fit inside of my blender. Also, if you guys have a food dehydrator, you can also try using that to dry out the egg whites. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crush it a little bit with my fingers. You can also use a fork, or you can just go straight for the blender, but I wanted to cut it into smaller pieces before I blended it. Okay, that's it. I finished crushing it up. Now I'm just going to blend this in a blender until I get a very nice, super fine powder. Now, if you guys are lazy like me, or if you don't feel like making it at home and just want to get some egg white powder right away, you can check out the link in the description box and you can get some egg white powder and try it out for yourself.